Hellcat.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's Steven and we are back with another box break today. Today we're going with football Gems of the Game trading cards. We're looking for 8 factory sealed packs and 1 fat pack in every box. Plus, assuming I'm going to get 1 9.0 or higher graded card. We're hoping for a Johnny Manziel or maybe a Vince Young. Something awesome that is going to bring in the big bucks. We're going to go ahead and get right on into this thing. Wish me luck. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please go ahead and subscribe. And don't forget to like it. And, oh, we got a 10. Okay, we're going to go ahead and keep that in there. For now, we're going to get our packs out and see what we get. We got 2013 sticker collection. We got our fat pack is Donruss football from 2017. 2 score packs from, let's see, 2014. We have 14 prestige Johnny Manziel, folks. Let's pull one. Make it 2. We got 2017 score times 2. And we got 2 2013 rookies and stars. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna do the stickers, and we'll save that, and then we'll. Okay, let's go. Wish me luck. We're looking for some fire. Monster Auto. We already know we got a 10 graded card, so that's pretty much gonna pay for the box. The stickers don't want to come out. All right, here we go. 2013 digital sticker collection. Awesome. Ray Maluga, Josh Freeman. EJ Manuel rookie. Let's go. Rookie sticker. 2013 EJ Manuel. Nice. All right, we got Andy Dalton, Miami Dolphins rusher. Okay. Eric Fisher, 2013 rookie. Nice. Number 1 draft pick, I believe, that year. And we got the New York Giants NFC East, I guess. Okay, stickers are cool. Let's get to the cards. Going with 2013 rookies and stars first. We get 2 cracks at this. If we can pull an EJ Manuel auto out of here, that would be sick. Let's see, we got Eli. Ben Jarvis Green Ellis. Phillip Rivers. This dude, Dougie. We got a rookie of Jasper Collins, Russ, Andy, Rashard, that dude, Mendenhall, Danny Amendola, and Nat. Score number 2. Aaron, Locker, Tanny, that dude. We got a Marcus Wheaton rookie. That's a silver longevity. Not numbered. Gavin Escobar. Andrew Johnson. AP. Steve Smith. All right. Now we got 2017 score. We got 12 cards per pack. 17, I believe we're looking for, I'm not even sure, to be honest. Thomas Rawls. Sammy. Robert Woods, James Bradbury, Fitz, Talib, Norman. We got AJ Green Color Rush. That's cool. Corey Davis, Marlon Humphrey, Demarcus Walker, Corey Davis. All right, nothing exciting there. But don't forget, we got that 10 graded card coming up. This dude, Jalen Marshall, Emmanuel Sanders. We got Joey Bosa, Keleki, Cam, Randall Cobb. That's a green. Not sure if that's gonna be numbered. Not numbered. Okay. And we got Color Rush, LeGarrette Blount, Big Man on Campus, Mike Williams, Ricky Seals-Jones, Marquez White, and Donnell Pumphrey. Next is 2014 Prestige. Come on, Johnny. Johnny Football. The dude that wrecked the shoot, now I can't remember what that league was called, but they got signed for that league, and then like the next 2 days later they terminated. So whatever. Greg Olson, Ryan Matthews, Jason Morrow for the Jets. That's okay. Alex Smith and Marlon Brown. Sam Bradford, Kenny Stills, Zach Mettenberger, Noshawn Moreno, Danny Trevathan. Now we got 2014 score. 2 packs of this before we get into our fat pack of Donruss. And then we get to reveal what our graded 10 is. Ruben Randall, Eli, Marcus Colston, Bernard Pierce, Devontae Freeman scorecard. That's cool. Andre Ellington, T. Suggs, Eddie Royal, Jason Verrett, Trent Murphy, Glenn Dix. Jordy, Russ, Vic, Eli, Mike Wallace, Brothers in Arms of Tennessee Titans, Sammy, Chris Johnson, Ray Rice, Travis Swanson, CJ Fedorowicz, Scott Crichton. And we're going to jump right into our fat pack of Panini Donruss. Looking for an auto here. What year is this? 2017. I'm going to blow through this thing. If we see an auto, we'll stop. Jim Zorn. Okay. Johnny U. Philly Brown. Spencer Ware, TJ Yeldon, Jeremy Curley, Inman, Giovanni Bernard, D-Hop, DeForest Buckner, Joey Bosa. We got Press Proof Blue, Eric Berry, Joe Flacco, Julius Peppers, and Amar Darbo. Joe Williams, rookie. Jonathan Allen, rated rookie, Ardarius Stewart. And now it's time for what we've all been waiting for, the reveal of our 10 graded card. It's a 2018 Leaf rookie stars of Nick Chubb. Nick Chubb, that's a stellar card. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed the break. If you did, please like and subscribe.